Let's discuss home gadgets under $50. All gadgets links in comment and description. Let's start the video. Say hello to the magnetic measuring spoon set stainless steel, the ultimate kitchen gadget to transform your cooking and baking experience. Whether you're whipping up a batch of cookies or seasoning a savory dish, this sleek and stackable set is designed to make measuring effortless and precise. The dual-sided spoons fit seamlessly into narrow spice jars, while the magnetic feature keeps them perfectly organized. No more hunting for lost pieces in cluttered drawers. Made from durable stainless steel, they're rust-resistant and built to last, ensuring every measurement is accurate and hassle-free. Pros: dual-sided design fits into narrow spice jars and works for both dry and liquid ingredients. Magnetic stackable feature ensures easy storage and organization. Durable, rust-resistant stainless steel guarantees long-term use. Includes a leveler for perfectly precise measurements. Cons: magnetic surface may attract crumbs or residue if not wiped regularly. Slightly larger size may feel bulky in compact kitchens. Next, Chef and Fridge Fork Condiment Fork, the ultimate solution for mess-free pickle and olive retrieval. Imagine never having to fish around in brine or deal with dripping fingers again. This clever gadget keeps your hands clean and your snacking stress-free. With its secure caddy and adjustable bands, it conveniently clips onto most jars, making it easy to grab pickles, olives, or even cocktail onions on demand. Perfect for charcuterie boards, happy hour, or camping trips. It's the handy companion you didn't know you needed. Pros: keeps your hands clean and dry while removing pickles or olives. Adjustable bands fit most jar sizes for secure attachment. Compact caddy keeps the fork handy and mess-free. Dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Cons: may not securely fit unusually shaped or oversized jars. Lightweight design might feel less durable over time. Next, 2-pack kitchen scissors all-purpose set. Your ultimate kitchen companion for tackling every cutting task with ease and precision. From slicing through chicken bones to chopping vegetables and even cracking nuts, these heavy-duty scissors are designed to simplify your cooking routine. The magnetic holder keeps them securely on your fridge or metal surfaces, so they're always within reach and never lost in clutter. With a dismountable design for easy cleaning and features like serrated edges for scaling fish and slots for peeling vegetables, these scissors are as versatile as they are durable. Pros: magnetic holder ensures convenient storage and keeps scissors handy. Heavy-duty stainless steel blades handle a wide variety of kitchen tasks. Dismountable design allows for easy cleaning and prevents cross-contamination. Multifunctional features include fish scaling, vegetable peeling, and nut cracking. Cons: may feel heavy for users who prefer lightweight scissors. The magnetic holder may not attach securely to non-flat or textured surfaces. Next, Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, the ultimate tool to make your home safer and your dryer more efficient. This handy vacuum hose attachment reaches deep into your dryer vent, effortlessly removing years of lint buildup that could lead to dangerous fires. Its slim, 31.5-inch design makes cleaning tight spaces, like behind appliances, a breeze, giving you peace of mind and saving on professional cleaning costs. Made to fit most vacuum cleaners, though not compatible with Dyson models, it's easy to assemble and use, keeping your home essentials spotless with minimal effort. Pros: effectively removes lint buildup, improving dryer efficiency and safety. Long, slim design reaches deep into hard-to-access areas, compatible with most vacuum cleaners and easy to assemble. Cons: not compatible with Dyson vacuum cleaners. Plastic materials may feel less durable over extended use. Next, Simply Gourmet Measuring Cups and Spoons, set of 15, the ultimate tool to make cooking and baking an absolute delight. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this sleek set combines durability with precision, ensuring every measurement is accurate for your favorite recipes. The engraved US and metric markings make it universally readable, while the stackable design and long handles allow easy access to narrow jars. Pros: durable stainless steel construction resists rust and lasts a lifetime. Engraved US and metric measurements ensure precision and readability. Stackable design with long handles fits narrow jars and saves space. Dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning and maintenance. Cons: stainless steel may feel heavier compared to plastic alternatives. The flat base design, while stable, might not suit curved mixing bowls. That's awesome and superb, bro. Next, Ki-Style Magsafe Car Mount, the game-changing phone holder for your car that combines sleek design with powerful functionality. Imagine driving without the worry of your phone slipping or falling during sharp turns, sudden stops, or bumpy roads. With 20 strong magnets, this magnetic mount securely holds your iPhone 12 through 16 Pro Max, as well as other smartphones with the included metal rings, ensuring a safe, hands-free experience. The strong VHB adhesive sticks firmly to your dashboard, providing an ultra-secure hold that doesn't block your view, keeping your focus on the road. Pros: powerful 20 magnets ensure secure phone placement, even on rough roads. 360 degrees rotation allows you to find the best viewing angle. VHB adhesive sticks firmly to the dashboard without obstructing your view. Designed for MagSafe iPhones, but also compatible with other smartphones using metal rings. Cons: only compatible with phones that have MagSafe or metal ring attachments. Adhesive may leave residue if removed from certain surfaces. Next, Dalio Pimple Patches, your secret weapon for clearer skin, packed with natural ingredients and powerful acne-fighting properties. These hydrocolloid patches work wonders while you sleep, adhering tightly to your skin to absorb excess oils and impurities, reducing blemishes and zits overnight. Infused with tea tree oil, salicylic acid, and calendula oil, these patches not only tackle acne, but also soothe and heal your skin, leaving you with clearer, calmer skin in the morning. Pros: hydrocolloid material ensures strong adhesion and breathability, even overnight. Natural ingredients like tea tree oil, salicylic acid, and calendula oil target acne while soothing the skin. Multiple sizes included for tailored treatment. Ultra-thin, invisible design makes them easy to wear during the day or night. Cons: requires clean and dry skin for optimal adhesion. Not suitable for extremely severe acne, as it works best on smaller blemishes. Next, ALAN 3-Pack Screen Protector for iPhone 16 Pro Max, the ultimate protection for your phone's screen and camera. Designed specifically for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, this premium package includes 3 screen protectors and 3 camera lens protectors, all equipped with an easy-to-use installation frame for hassle-free setup. The 9H tempered glass provides maximum protection against scratches, bumps, and scrapes, ensuring your screen stays pristine even through everyday wear and tear. Pros: 9H tempered glass for superior scratch and impact protection. Hydrophobic and oleophobic coatings reduce fingerprints, keeping the screen clean. Night shooting function for high-quality photos and videos, even in low light. Easy installation with included frame and video tutorial. Case-friendly, ensuring compatibility with most iPhone cases. Cons: requires careful installation to avoid dust particles and misalignment. Next, meet Windex Glass and Window Cleaner, the go-to solution for sparkling clean windows and surfaces. This 23 Felaz bottle comes with Windex's iconic original blue scent and a powerful eco-friendly formula that delivers a streak-free shine. Made with 100% recovered coastal plastic, this cleaner helps reduce plastic waste, supporting a cleaner environment. The quick-acting formula works wonders on smudges and fingerprints, effortlessly breaking them down before you even start wiping. Pros: eco-friendly formula using 100% recovered coastal plastic, streak-free shine that outperforms competitors, quick-acting cleaner for efficient everyday use, classic refreshing original scent, trusted brand with a long history of quality. Cons: only suitable for glass and window surfaces, limiting its versatility for other cleaning needs. Next, Jin SD card reader for iPhone, the perfect tool for photographers and content creators on the go. This compact plug-and-play device allows you to effortlessly transfer photos and videos from your Canon or Nikon DSLR camera's SD or TF card directly to your iPhone or iPad. No app required. Simply connect the reader to your device, open the Photos app, and start importing your media in just seconds. With dual card slots for both SD and microSD cards, this reader supports a wide range of media formats. Pros: plug-and-play functionality with no app required. Supports both SD and TF cards for versatile use. Fast data transfer, including JPEG, RAW, and HD video formats. Dual functionality for importing and exporting files. Works seamlessly with a wide range of iPhone and iPad models. Cons: not compatible with iPhone 15 and 16 series. Does not support Wi-Fi SD cards. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts in comments about this video and must subscribe for more videos. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.